Assalamualaikum guys. So on this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add videos to your scene, and meaning putting the video attached to a wall or a ground. I haven't teach you guys that, and I'm going to show you now. I'm going to show you a sample. Let me render first. So if you see here, the video is attached to the wall, and this hologram is attached to the ground. And then this is just a simple robot walking towards you. Let's start. Let's start with a new composition. So this is fine. 1280 by 720. Frame is around 20. So I'm gonna type this one as VIS. Okay. So first we need to find the ASN video. And this is the one. I'm gonna drop it to the timeline. Okay. Now we have the video. Let's play first. Okay. So simple video. Next is go to animation, click track camera. So let it analyze and pinpoint all the 3D points here. So if you see here, it is still initializing. So it's going up right now. So the camera, let's see what we have. Ooh, that's nice. So we have some points on this wall, some points on the ground, and some points on the right wall. So like before this, I teach you guys to attach object using one point, but now I'm going to teach you guys using several points where you will find the perspective points by choosing the points around it. So let's do this. So when I put my cursor on the wall, if you see there is a perspective, this is a ground perspective, it's on the ground. So this is on the wall. Let's start. Okay, that's good. Let me choose this one. Right click, create solid camera. So I have this. Let's see. So I have a small box here. So I want to make it larger, just to make it visible. Okay. So this is already 3D. So I want to adjust it. I want to zoom it first. Make to nicely stick to the wall. So it looks more real. And there. see what we have. Look at that. That's quite okay for me. So go back to fit. So next step is I'm going to make this one pre-compose. It's like a grouping. So right click, pre-compose, and then you can double click here. So next is I'm going to put the video in. So go to project and let's find the RTV video. I'm going to drop it here. Oh, the size of the video is 140 by 300. Okay, maybe we can do that. Increase the size. Display the video. Oh, the video is not moving, so I'm going to move the slide so that I'm going to start the video early. We run here, so when it play, there's already a video. And I'm going to delete this one, the track solid. So I just need that. Maybe a bit larger. Adjust the position, maybe the center. And then let's see. There you are. I play. Let's attach to the wall. So with the sound, try that. Look at that, it's so easy. So that's how you attach a video to the wall. Let's do another one. Let's do the hologram on the ground. Let's go back to the Yasin video. 3D camera tracker. Let's find a good ground. Maybe this one. Right click. We're gonna do the same thing. Solid. But we're going to adjust this one. Let's rename this one first so that we don't get confused. So all TV, name this one ground. Okay, so we're gonna rotate this one. Oh, not that one. Okay, that is fine. Let's get inside, double click. Then we're gonna get the hologram. Double click. I'm gonna choose and from there. I only need like 10 seconds. Let's drop it. Put it here a bit longer. So let's try this one. I think that's fine. So and then I'm gonna put a key light. I'm gonna make it transparent. Okay, I think I forgot something. Copy this one, delete. I think I didn't put on the ground. Just put it outside here. So I need to go to the group first. Oh yeah, I need to pre-compose first. Sorry about that. Double click, paste. So it doesn't fit. So I'm going to change the composition to the same size. So that's around this one. It's 1280. So I'm going to delete the solid. So I'm going to adjust hologram. Close. Look at that, it's there. Let's make it bigger. Look at that, how it stick nicely on the ground. So when I play, look at that. It's like making 3D. Simple as that. Let's put in the robot just for revision. Okay. Let's make a note. I'm gonna start from here. Create node. And then we need to find the robot. It's the robot. And robot. Double click. Okay. Yeah, I already pre-select this. So I'm gonna drop it. I'm gonna put key light also. I'll make it transparent. I'm gonna transform it and make it smaller. Oh, wait. Let it be like this. We need to make it 3D first. Okay. It's there. And then we need to copy the position of the node. And then we're gonna put to the robot. Copy and paste the position from the node to the robot. Paste. Slightly move. We can make it larger. Anchor point. Move it. It's too big still. It looks like a giant. And be in the center. Oops. Center. Let's see what we have. I need to move. It's behind the image. I need to move it in front. I don't know where the stretch or line. I'm not quite sure where the robot is. Let's see from the top. I'll zoom out to 25%. Let's erase it. It's just not there. Oh, no wonder. My mistake. I need to select this one to make it visible. Let's try it again. Look at that. We have a robot. Let's make it more real. We're gonna move the robot anchor point from here, approaching us. Let's go. Slightly gonna move it. Here. Let's see. So that's